Hello guys, this is Santosh. Welcome to Canada Telugu Info. Guys, in this video I am going to discuss about the latest update by the Canadian government. So the update is Canada announces a major change to its PGWP, post graduation work permit rules for its international students who want to study in Canada beginning this fall. So guys, I am going to show you online from their official website about this update clearly with all the details. So before that, please do subscribe, like, share and hit the bell symbol, and also please do watch the video from starting to ending. So please keep watching friends. I am going to show you online. So guys, this is the official website. In this they were mentioned the recent update about this post graduation work permit rules for the international students. So we can able to see this. So guys, I will provide you this link in the description part, so you can also check with this link. And if you have any doubts or any queries, please drop me in the comment section, or else personally mail me. I will also provide my personal mail ID in the description. So please, okay. Now we can see this. See, Canada announces major study and work visa change for fall 2020. So international students will be able to enroll in online courses while abroad this fall and still be eligible for a post-graduation work permit after moving to Canada. So see, Canada is making a major change to its PGWP rules for international students who want to study in Canada beginning this fall, and the PGWP enables international students to gain work experience after completing their educational program at a Canadian designated learning institution DLI. So international students must have completed a full-time program of at least 8 months in a length at a DLI in order to be eligible for the PGWP. Their study program must have led to a diploma, degree or certificate. The ultimate length of the PGWP depends on the length of the student program of study in Canada. And students can begin program online and still be eligible for 3-year PGWP after coming to Canada. So normally online courses do not count toward the study requirement for a PGWP application. So due to this coronavirus related travel interruptions around the world, IRCC is now allowing international students to study online while overseas and still be eligible to apply for the work permit after graduation. So IRCC announced the reform during the evening of May 14, 2020. So this update was released on May 14th by the IRCC. And new international students will be able to begin their programs at a Canadian DLI online in fall 2020 and complete up to 50% of the program while abroad, and then still be able to obtain the PGWP to work in Canada after completing their studies. IRCC also noted that international students will not have time deducted from the length of their PGWP for the period they spent outside of Canada, that is up to December 31st, 2020. In a hypothetical scenario, a new international student can begin their program at a Canadian DLI online this coming fall and still be eligible for a PGWP for the maximum 3 years, so long as they arrive to Canada by the end of 2020 and complete a qualifying educational program at a DLI of at least 2 years in duration. So see, if you scroll down, why this is a major announcement that clearly mentioned each and everything. So I can give you this website link in the description. You can also check it thoroughly and see. So why this major announcement has happened. The PGWP is highly coveted among Canada's international students since it enables them to work in Canada for up to 3 years after completing their studies. So such work experience provides them with a major advantage when submitting their federal and or provincial immigration application, which 60% of international students plan to do. So according to the Canadian Bureau for International Educational Annual Survey of Foreign Students. So you can able to read each and everything here. So this is the clear update with all the details about PGWP. So who wants to study in Canada from coming this fall. so you can check it this. So I am providing this link in the description section, friends. So still, if you have any doubts or any queries, please drop me in the comment section or personally mail me. I will provide my personal email ID as well. So this is the latest update.